This is the day you found your voice, Abby. And there's Nana.
She's watching me do the ironing. Lovely smile.
Can you tell me a story? No? Can you tell me a story? What else? What else happened? Really? Really? We'll have to tell Grandma and Grandpa how big your voice is. What else? Oh, I see. Right. Is that right? Is that right? Wow. That's a good story. Thank you for that.